removing the 7mm drive backplane and drive cage. Remove the drives and drive fillers. Remove the top cover. Disconnect the cables from the backplane. Remove the riser assembly with the 7mm drive cage from the rear chassis. Remove the screws and slide the drive cage out of the riser cage. Remove the screw and the 7mm drive cage securing clip from the riser cage if necessary. Remove the two screws and then remove the top backplane. Remove the screw and pull the bottom backplane out of the cage.